Good morning, how you all doing? Let's get into the pre-market discussion. Here we are on the NASDAQ 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and remove the drawings. First thing that stands out is the all-time high. I also got to pull up the economic calendar. The only thing we have is at noon East Coast time, we have Philadelphia Fed President Tom Harker speaks. The all-time high on the NASDAQ seemed to have a zone. Let's say in this area. Could be an area of support. Could be an area of support. Looks like we have an area here. Something to watch out for. Hit the bottom of this resistance layer area until it broke through. Resistance from this point turned into support, broke through it, came back up to this level, stayed here for a little bit, tried to break through, tried to break down, came all the way down. I feel like today's going to be a chop day. That is my initial feeling, is a chop day. We may come down here, bounce off this area to come up, break through, touch this area, see what the pivot points look like. 50% area between the two pivot points. The bounce off the bottom of this box will be the 50% area between these 2 points. This area will be the 50% area between these two levels, the high and the last low, morning low. Let's go ahead and look at the 2-hour. I believe those are the only areas that we got to look at today. Got this congestion in this area. Inefficiency area, we have an inefficiency area from here to here. That's a lot of area that price could fluctuate, right? So price could bounce in between this box all day. Could happen. That would be area of inefficiency. Somehow my mic got turned off, but I'm just talking about an additional inefficiency zone that price could come and bounce in. Price doesn't go to the 50% area of the inefficiency until 4 o'clock between the last 10 minutes of market end of day. We'll go ahead and fast forward to market open. Good morning and welcome to RLTW Strategies. I hope you stick around with me on my journey from taking a Topstep 150K combine account into Express funded account and then hopefully get called up into a live trading account. So I use this channel and I use these videos as a video journal, and I like to share that journal with you as I go through the trials and tribulations of entering, exiting, profiting, and losing on my trades. We're going to be patient and stay disciplined throughout this journey. So we did a pre-market session. We're 5 minutes into market open, so we're going to go ahead and look at the screens. Moving into the Trade of 8 execution window. I also have a paper account over here through TradingView. If you go and look at the balance, we're at 50 grand. We reset it on Friday, so we're going to trade this account similar to trading a combine account. Let's move this down to not time intervals. Let's move this down to 2 shares, 2 contracts. We're looking at the NASDAQ on the 5 and 15 minute. Drew these inefficiency zones. We drew this level, 50% of that inefficiency zone. We have a point where price was deciding, stopped moving up, and it was deciding whether it's going to come back down. Buyers stayed in and continued pushing the price up. This was on Friday. Came down, bounced on top of the box, tried to break up. This is the all-time high. Came down, came back up, 50% between the box and the all-time high. And we got the point of control right there. So right now we're seeing what price does on the box. We're going to maintain the 15-minute window. We may fluctuate to the 30-minute. We get better levels here. So there's a strong resistance at the top of this box. So if it breaks this area, we'll go short on the live account or on the combine account. So I got 3 combines we're going to trade today. We got the 07 combine, 150K. We can't lose more than 1,000 there. Same for that account. And then we have our third account that we reset, that we started on Friday, and we got it up to 4,100. I'm going to record all the trades that I have, and I will share that with you guys. On top of that, let's go ahead and look at the ES and the dollar. So the ES is coming down to a pivot point. We'll go ahead and drop in an all-time high for the ES, because the ES does have an all-time high up there. We had one written down earlier. I don't know where it went from last week. We have 3 pivot points within the window. All-time high resistance level up at the top. We got the pivot point here, support level down here. We drew these lines during pre-market where price may bounce off of, which is near the pivot point, which is no surprise there. That is about it. That was from Friday drawings. And then I'll just keep an eye on the dollar. With that, we got the Magnificent 7 behind those windows. I'll watch these today. We got Tesla coming down a little bit. Meta, Google, Apple. Apple had some news that got published on CNBC this morning. It was that it got fined $2 billion on their music platform, Apple's music platform. $2 billion they got fined. So price may come down here. We got NVIDIA, non-stop NVIDIA, and Microsoft. So we'll keep an eye on those. We are 2 minutes. We'll watch the ES, and this is the windows that we'll be seeing now. So I'll keep you along with me during my stream of consciousness of what I see either on the Mag 7, the ES, and the 30 and 15 minutes. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for hanging out. 30 seconds till market open. So it's called the PAX process. They talk about the 30-second opening range. So I just moved the timeline to 30 seconds. I want to see what the opening range is going to be for the first 30 seconds. So we'll see how much that correlates to the box and the all-time high and market open. Microsoft is moving back up, and 2, 1, market is open. $30-second. We got 20 seconds left on that candle. Looks like market is coming down, bouncing off the box. Let's see. Trading a 30-second opening range. It looks like it's going to drop. I'm going to move this to 4 contracts because that's what he does. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and short on the live account. 2 contracts. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 contracts. We'll go ahead and do a stop. Put my stop loss in. at break even. Let's see if it continues going down. We're up 600. All right, so 287 on that trade. Look at that. Trading the 30-second opening range on my paper account and up 1900. That's crazy. Let's go and close that out for a $2,000 profit. Let's see if it registered. All right, so paper account, we're up $1,300. See if we come back and retest that opening range. Let's get off the 30-second back to the 15-minute. See if we can reject off this level. Apple is coming back down. Nvidia is coming back down. I'm shorting 4. I'll put my stop in. We'll see if we ride this down. All right, we're up $800. Let's go. Let's go. Keep dropping. All right. We're up 1,000 on that account. Let's go ahead and move to this account. We can't lose more than 1,000 on this account, so let's watch to see if it retests back up here at this high. Apple, Microsoft still is going down. I might add one. Let's do one. Well, let's wait. Nvidia is bouncing back up. Microsoft is still coming down. If you want to look, the Mag 7, we got, let me make sure the mic's still on. Okay, mic's still on. All right, so we got Apple coming up. Microsoft was coming down a little bit. Nvidia's coming up. Google's going down. We got Meta coming up. So this might reverse back up to the top of the box. Let's see if it rejects off the top of the box. It might come back down here. Let's see, Nvidia's still going up. Let's look at the ES real quick and the dollar. Dollar's coming down. ES is coming up back up to the VWAP. This thing may kind of retest the point of control. I'm gonna wait. Treasury yields edge higher. This is what we're seeing right now. So we're at the top of the box on the trading view. We may reject here. Nvidia is still climbing. We're at 845. Microsoft is going up. Apple's coming down. Google's coming down. Just touching the VWAP right now. Nvidia is going to go to 850 right now. Crazy. Remember, we got a speaker at 12. Heading back at the point of control. Microsoft is screaming. I don't know if we'll be able to maintain this right now. Microsoft is above the VWAP, above the morning open. Nvidia is above the morning open. Apple is trying to make it above the morning open. I'm going to go ahead and short one contract. I'm going to add to it with 2 contracts. I don't think this is going to hold. I think it's going to reject. Apple's coming down. Microsoft's about to come down. ES is coming down. I'm going to go ahead and short 2. I'll put my stop there. Stopped out. I got 2 more. All right, what do we got? Oof. We're gonna have to wait on this one. This account, we are down 892. Not so good trades. I thought we were gonna reject here. Let's see what happens the next. If it comes back down in the box, let's see what happens. ES rotated back up above the point of control. Nvidia 852, all-time high for an Nvidia, I think. 15-minute shows price coming down, and I got stopped out. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. We're coming down into that box again. Felt like it was gonna go back up. Microsoft is going back up hard. Might bounce right here. Microsoft, man, they're gonna stop me out right here. Nvidia is coming back down. Man, it's crazy. Microsoft is climbing. ES is climbing, and Nasdaq's dropping right now. There we go. Put my stop in. Hopefully we keep going up. Come on, Nvidia is going up. Come on, don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Come on, Nasdaq. No, stop me out. All right, because I over leverage, right? Microsoft and Nvidia are both screaming. Apple was rotating back up, so I got in with a larger contract size. ES is up above the VWAP. We got the ES still coming up. And then if you look at the NASDAQ is inside this inefficiency zone, chopping right here. All right, so we're up 1,000 on one of the combines that we couldn't lose more than 1,000. We lost one combine. That combine will rebuild in 30 days. Now we'll just be patient. 2 combines are active. One, we're up 1,000. We haven't traded the one that we started on Friday. That's up. The 30-second opening range is still valid. It came back up to retest and got rejected, and it's coming back down. We rejected the top of the box. We may be coming back down. The minute I short, it pops up. Stopped out, $100. Reverse, do I go long? I don't know, we're below the VWAP. It's a good bet to go short, I think. We hit the all-time high 2 days in a row. We got Apple coming down. Microsoft is coming up a little bit, but there's a long candle wicks on the 15-minute. Let's wait till this 15-minute candle closes. It may go up from here. Apple's still coming down. This may be rotating back up. We're just below the VWAP. Below the VWAP, below the point of control. This is what I was talking about Friday when I got destroyed and hit max loss on 2 of those accounts. I thought, my theory was if we open below the point of control, then it's an indication that today we'll have prices in the lower end of the chart. So, but this may be a reversal right now, and we're below the point of control. We may retest the point of control in the VWAP since they're both similar. Oh, we're climbing right now. Let's see, what are we doing? Do I go in? Let's see if it rejects off the box. The box will be around 18,315. So the top of the box is right there. Microsoft is going high. Nvidia is hitting the VWAP again. That would have been a good short. Microsoft's just screaming right now. This might be a chop zone. ES is above the VWAP. Wow, Nvidia is about to break the VWAP to the downside. I don't know if it will hold. This may be, I just got chopped up right here. On that other account, I got chopped out right here in this area. Got chopped out. Getting FOMO to go short. Microsoft is still screaming up. ES is still going up. ES is coming back down. Microsoft's still going up. Nvidia is going down. Jesus, Microsoft is screaming. That's what Microsoft is doing. Nvidia, Apple. What are we up? We are up 1,100. That's a good day. Lost one account, got chopped up. It could happen to anybody. We're up one account. We haven't traded the third account yet. I'm just waiting for more stronger moves. This could be a good reversal, but we're still below the point of control and below the VWAP on the 15-minute. So 30-minute looks like. That could be a good bounce in the 30-minute. Also, it could be, let's see. Nvidia is coming back around. Let's go long. Let's go add. We're up 8. No, don't stop me out. Come on, let's go up. Come on, bounce up. Let's go. Bounce up. We're in 10. Come on, let's go. Come on, Nvidia's going up. Microsoft is going up. Come on. Let's go. Pop up. Break those stops. Oh man, I got stopped. I'm gonna get stopped out. I got stopped out. And I got 50. I think I'm done. And it just stopped me out. That hurt. Oh, lost 2 accounts. Oh, lost 2 accounts. We were up 1,000. We should have stopped. That's what sucks. All right. Man, I thought I was going to reverse. 30-minute looked good. Has a nice wick. Blew those 2 accounts. Blew one, up 1,000. Blew the next one. That's what happens. It's a nice, consistent trend down. Apple's coming back up now. Apple's coming back up. Apple's coming back up. Go. Oof. Damn. Stopped me out and bought back up. $10 market liquidity. ES is going back up. Stopped out. ES is coming back down. What do y'all think? Going back up to the point of control, coming back down. Got the Dow down 100-ish, S&P down 5. Could we be going up or rejecting? We're coming back to the top of that box. VWAP's coming back down. We got a parallel range on the 1 minute. Maybe getting a rollover right here. Long wicks on the 15-minute. ES is coming back down below the VWAP. EMA is at the top of that box. NVIDIA is going back up. See if it rejects off the top of that box. The ES has a strong candle wick at the bottom. It's above the VWAP. Microsoft is turning back around, going back to the upside. See if we reject off the top of that box. Yep, there we go. Come on. Stop. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Up $800. That was a good drop. Should we go in again? Should we go in again? Should we go in again? Was that the reversal? Man, there I go, getting in at the bottom of it. God damn. Over leveraged. I thought I was gonna drop. Sit on the hands, sit on the hands. Let's just watch it. Looks like it's rejecting off the point of control. Man, 5 minute has a big red candle. I think it's gonna drop. I think that's what a lot of retail investors think it's gonna do, is drop. And it's probably gonna reverse right here. Probably gonna reverse right here. Oof. Oh, I should stop trading today. All losers. If it drops, I'm going to be so disappointed. Damn, look at that green candle. That's a Monday for you. Mondays and Fridays. 30-minute candle shows, looks like it's going to go down. 15-minute looks like it's going to go down. Well, maybe not. Walk away with some type of profit of $70. Don't tell me it's going to reverse right here. Got the VWAP play, 319. Strong level right here. You got enough buyers to come in to push the price above the VWAP and break that trend. You might fake people out, collect stops above it, and then come back down. Might go back up, stay up. Got this level. Went in with 10 contracts. Thought it was gonna go up. Tough day to trade. I'm back. So I reset the 2 accounts that I lost this morning. All right, I hit max loss on my 3rd one. Got chopped up in the morning session. That's what happens. Just gotta take your losses. Try not to get FOMO. Try not to make your losses up. Good afternoon. I just got back from the gym and I'm going to do a recap on all the trades and how we performed this afternoon. Monday was a rough one. We have 3 combines and each of them have $1,000 limits on them. So we're going to have to trade very cautiously tomorrow. It's a good thing to remember that not every day is a winning day. Every day is an opportunity to take money from the market or to give money to the market. Hopefully, majority of the time, we could take money from the market. Today just wasn't one of those days. So the result of today's session, we will start tomorrow digging ourselves out of the trenches. We will focus on small wins, brick by brick, rebuilding our accounts.